Ella and James Boutique Reviews legit or a scam? Ella and James Boutique Reviews legit or a scam? If you're browsing for trendy women's fashion online, Ella and James Boutique might catch your eye. But is it a reliable store or a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by judging based on professional-looking photos. The surprising truth is that Ella and James Boutique operates as a legitimate e-commerce site, selling clothing and accessories at affordable prices. You won't believe what happens next. Customer feedback is mostly positive, with many shoppers praising the quality, shipping speed, and style variety. Few customers report minor issues such as delayed delivery or slight differences in sizing. Payments are secure, and standard return policies are in place, which adds to its credibility. To shop safely, start with a small order, read sizing guides carefully, and check reviews for the specific items you want. This approach reduces any risk and ensures a positive experience. In conclusion, Ella and James Boutique is a legitimate online fashion retailer. While minor issues may occur, the overall experience is secure and reliable. Approach with realistic expectations, and you're likely to enjoy trendy, budget-friendly fashion delivered to your door.